Welcome to our comprehensive Node.js tutorial. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know about Node.js. We'll begin by exploring what Node.js is, why it's so popular among developers, and how it's revolutionized server-side programming. By the end of this series, you'll be able to build your own applications with confidence. Let's dive in and discover the world of Node.js together, starting from the very basics and gradually moving towards more advanced concepts. Node.js is an open-source, cross-platform runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript code outside of a browser. It's built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, making it fast and efficient. Node.js is designed for building scalable network applications, and it's widely used for creating web servers, APIs, and real-time services. Its non-blocking, event-driven architecture is what sets it apart from traditional server-side technology. Understanding Node.js is the first step to unlocking powerful backend development opportunities. Node.js has become a favorite among developers for several reasons. Its asynchronous, non-blocking I/O model allows for handling multiple requests efficiently, making it ideal for real-time applications. Node.js uses JavaScript, so you can use the same language on both the client and server sides, streamlining development. Its vast ecosystem, powered by NPM, provides countless modules and libraries to speed up your workflow. Whether you're building chat apps, APIs, or microservices, Node.js offers flexibility and performance. Getting started with Node.js is simple. Head over to the official Node.js website and download the installer for your operating system. Follow the installation prompts, and within minutes, Node.js will be up and running on your machine. Once installed, you'll also have access to NPM, the Node package manager, which is essential for managing libraries and dependencies. Let's make sure everything is set up correctly before we write our first Node.js program. After installing Node.js, it's important to verify that everything is working as expected. Open your terminal or command prompt and type node v to check the Node.js version. Similarly, npm v will display the npm version. If both commands return version numbers, congratulations, you're ready to start coding with Node.js. This quick check ensures your environment is properly configured and avoids issues down the line. Let's write your very first Node.js program. Open your favorite code editor and create a new file named app.js. Inside, type console log hello Node.js. Save the file, then run it in your terminal by typing node app.js. You should see the message printed out. This simple exercise demonstrates how Node.js executes JavaScript files outside the browser, laying the foundation for more complex application. Modules are a core concept in Node.js, allowing you to organize your code into reusable pieces. Node.js comes with built-in modules like FS for file system operations and HTTP for creating servers. You can also create your own modules or install third-party ones using NPM. By using modules, you keep your code clean, maintainable, and scalable. Let's explore how to use and create modules in Node.js. Node.js provides a variety of built-in modules to handle different tasks. To use a built-in module, you simply require it at the top of your file. For example, const fs equals require fs imports the file system module. This approach allows you to access powerful features without writing everything from scratch. Built-in modules cover everything from networking to file handling, making development faster and easier. Custom modules let you break your application into smaller, manageable files. To create one, write your code in a separate file and export the necessary functions or objects. Then import it into your main file using require. This modular approach keeps your code organized and makes it easier to maintain and test. As your projects grow, custom modules become essential for clean architecture. One of Node.js's most powerful features is its event-driven architecture, managed by the event loop. The event loop allows Node.js to handle many connections simultaneously without blocking the main thread. This is why Node.js excels at real-time applications like chat servers and streaming services. Understanding the event loop is key to writing efficient, non-blocking code in Node.js. Node.js uses asynchronous programming to handle tasks like reading files or making network requests without waiting for them to finish. This means your application can continue running while waiting for operations to complete. Asynchronous code is often written using callbacks, promises, or async await syntax. Mastering these techniques is essential for building fast, responsive Node.js applications. NPM, or Node Package Manager, is the default package manager for Node.js. It allows you to install, update, and manage third-party libraries and tools. With NPM, you can easily add new features to your project by installing packages from the vast NPM registry. Learning how to use NPM effectively will save you time and help you build more powerful applications. To start a new Node.js project, you'll typically initialize it with NPM. In your project folder, run npm init and follow the prompts to create a package.json file. This file keeps track of your project's metadata and dependencies. It's a crucial step for organizing and managing your Node.js applications, especially as they grow in complexity. Adding new functionality to your Node.js project is easy with npm. To install a package, use the command npm install package name. The package will be added to your Node modules folder and listed in your package.json file. This makes it simple to share your project and ensure others can install the same dependencies with a single command. Let's build a basic web server using Node.js. Start by requiring the HTTP module, then use HTTP create server to handle incoming requests. You can listen on a specific port such as 3000 and respond with a message. This simple server forms the foundation for more complex web applications and APIs. Experiment with different responses to see how it works. Node.js handling HTTP requests and responses is straightforward. When a request comes in, your server can read the URL, headers, and method, then send back a response. You can serve different content based on the request, such as HTML pages, JSON data, or files. This flexibility makes Node.js a great choice for building APIs and web servers. Many web applications need to serve static files like HTML, CSS, and images. In Node.js, you can use the FS module to read files from disk and send them as responses. This allows you to build simple websites or serve assets for your web apps. For larger projects, consider using frameworks or middleware to handle static files more efficiently. Express.js is a popular web framework for Node.js that simplifies server development. With Express, you can quickly set up routes, handle requests, and manage middleware. It's lightweight, flexible, and widely used in the industry. Learning Express will help you build robust web applications and APIs with minimal effort. Use Express. First, install it with npm install Express. Then, require it in your code and create an Express app. You can define routes to handle different URLs and use middleware for tasks like parsing JSON or handling errors. Express streamlines many common server tasks, letting you focus on your application's logic. Routing is how your server responds to different URLs. In Express, you define routes using app-get, app-post, and other methods. Each route specifies a path and a callback function to handle requests. This makes it easy to organize your application and respond to various client actions such as form submissions or API calls. Middleware functions in Express are functions that run during the request-response cycle. They can modify requests, add headers, handle errors, or perform authentication. Middleware is added using AppUse or directly in route handlers. Understanding middleware is key to building scalable and maintainable Express applications. Modern web applications often send and receive data in JSON format. Express makes it easy to handle JSON by using built-in middleware like Express.json. This middleware parses incoming JSON requests, allowing you to access the data as JavaScript objects. Handling JSON efficiently is essential for building APIs and dynamic web apps. Environment variables allow you to store configuration settings outside your code, such as API keys or database URLs. In Node.js, you can access these variables using process.env. This approach keeps sensitive information secure and makes it easier to manage different environments like development and production. Most applications need to store and retrieve data. Node.js supports many databases including MongoDB, MySQL, and PostgreSQL. You can use npm packages like Mongoose or MySQL to connect your app to a database. This enables you to build dynamic, data-driven applications that persist information across sessions. MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database that pairs well with Node.js. With the Mongoose package, you can define schemas, create models, and interact with your database using JavaScript. This makes it easy to store and retrieve complex data structures, supporting everything from simple apps to large-scale projects. CRUD stands for Create, Read, Update, and Delete, the 4 basic operations for managing data. In Node.js, you can perform CRUD operations on databases using packages like Mongoose or MySQL. Mastering CRUD is essential for building any application that interacts with data, from blogs to e-commerce platforms. Robust error handling is crucial for any application. In Node.js, you can handle errors using try-catch blocks, error events, or middleware in Express. Proper error handling ensures your app remains stable and provides helpful feedback to users when something goes wrong. Debugging helps you find and fix issues in your code. Node.js offers built-in debugging tools, and many editors provide integrated debugging support. You can use console log statements, breakpoints, and the Node.js inspector to track down problems and improve your code's reliability. The NPM ecosystem is vast, offering packages for almost any functionality you need. From authentication to file uploads, you can find and install packages that save you time and effort. Always check documentation and community reviews to choose reliable packages for your projects. RESTful APIs are a common way to connect clients and servers. With Node.js and Express, you can easily create endpoints that handle HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. Building APIs allows your application to communicate with other services and clients, enabling powerful integrations. Authentication is essential for securing your applications. In Node.js, you can implement authentication using packages like Passport or JSON Web Token. These tools help you manage user sessions, protect routes, and ensure only authorized users can access sensitive data. Security is a top priority in any application. Node.js provides tools and best practices for securing your code, such as input validation, HTTPS, and environment variables. Regularly update dependencies and use security-focused packages to protect your app from common vulnerabilities. Node.js excels at real-time communication, making it perfect for chat apps, games, and live updates. With packages like Socket.io, you can enable instant, bidirectional communication between clients and servers. This opens up exciting possibilities for interactive and dynamic applications. Once your application is ready, it's time to deploy it. Node.js apps can be deployed to various platforms including cloud services like Heroku, AWS, or DigitalOcean. Deployment involves uploading your code, setting environment variables, and configuring your server. With the right setup, your app can reach users around the world. Managing your Node.js processes is important for reliability. Tools like PM2 help you keep your app running, restart it on crashes, and monitor performance. Process management ensures your application stays available and performs well under different conditions. Effective logging and monitoring help you track your application's health and diagnose issues. Node.js supports various logging libraries, and you can integrate monitoring tools to get real-time insights. This proactive approach helps you maintain high availability and quickly respond to problems. Testing is a vital part of software development. Node.js supports many testing frameworks such as Mocha and Jest to help you write and run tests. Automated testing ensures your code works as expected and reduces the risk of bugs in production. Version control is essential for managing code changes and collaborating with others. Git is the most popular version control system, and it integrates seamlessly with Node.js projects. Using Git, you can track changes, revert to previous versions, and work with teams efficiently. Environment files like env are used to store configuration variables outside your codebase. With packages like .env, you can load these variables into process.env automatically. This practice keeps your code clean and your sensitive information secure. As your application grows, you may need to scale it to handle more users. Node.js supports clustering and load balancing, allowing you to run multiple instances and distribute traffic. Scaling ensures your app remains fast and responsive, even under heavy load. Node.js provides powerful tools for working with the file system. Using the FS module, you can read, write, and manipulate files and directories. This is useful for tasks like saving user uploads, generating reports, or managing configuration files. Sometimes you need to run tasks at specific times or intervals. Node.js supports task scheduling with packages like Cron. You can automate backups, send emails, or perform routine maintenance, all from within your application. File uploads are common in web applications. Node.js makes it easy to handle uploads with packages like Multer. You can accept files from users, store them on your server, and process them as needed. Secure file handling is important to protect your application and users. Sending emails is a common requirement for notifications, password resets, and more. Node.js supports email sending with packages like NodeMailer. You can configure SMTP settings, compose messages, and send emails directly from your application. Congratulations on completing this Node.js tutorial. You've learned the fundamentals, from installation and modules to building servers, using databases, and deploying applications. The next step is to practice by building your own projects and exploring advanced topics like microservices, performance optimization, and advanced security. With Node.js, the possibilities are endless. Keep learning, keep coding, and unlock your full potential as a developer.